What's the meaning of crucially? Crucially. Crucially.
Crucially. Crucially. Crucially is an adverb that describes something as being extremely important or essential to a specific outcome or situation. The word implies that without this particular element, the result would be significantly different or inferior. For instance, if an athlete's performance was crucially impacted by their rigorous training regimen, it suggests that without that training, their performance would not have been as successful. Similarly, if a specific ingredient is crucially necessary in a recipe, the dish will not taste right without it. In summary, something that is crucially important is absolutely necessary for a specific desired outcome or result.